guys, what's up? It's Bonita and I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you a chair freeze. Very popular freeze. You may have seen it, you may know it, but here's a different version, maybe a different approach to it. Let's check it out. Here we go. All right, so with the chair freeze, just like in my other tutorial when I talked about the baby freeze, what's really important to know and understand is the stab position, all right? So of course, you wanna know and figure out where your strong arm is. You should be drilling both sides. The goal, ideally, you wanna be able to chair both ways and freeze both ways. So don't, ignore that side that maybe gives you some problems. But basically, you wanna revisit this stab position. So that elbow, gonna glue that elbow right into that core there, right? And basically how I would first introduce the chair freeze is first learning the position. If you're going from a baby freeze, so say you're here, yeah, this is a cross baby, and then you can just basically fall down into your chair, yeah, from here. So I can push back into my baby or fall down into the chair. So there's gonna be your traditional chair, toe up or toe down. That's also kind of, a traditional approach. With it. Hand can kind of be wherever you want your hand to be. That's also just style. There's also what's called a reverse chair. So I'm gonna go from here. I'm gonna show you a couple different transitions. This one, I just have my knee down like a knee drop, and then I'm gonna take this foot back, swing it back like a reverse. I'm gonna drop down into my stab. This back foot is gonna actually swing and wrap on top. So when I get here, it's gonna swing and wrap on top. This is a traditional chair. The reverse chair, you just switch the feet. So now my back foot is the one that's crossed. Back to the traditional, boom, yeah. So there's your chair and reverse chair. And I'm also gonna show you two other ways to get into it. I'm gonna show you from a cork, and then I'm also gonna show you from a sweep. And then again, it's endless in terms of what or how you get into it. That's up to you. So these are just a couple of other ones. So this is how you get into a chair freeze from a cork. So right here, I'm gonna wrap my foot behind my knee, drop down to that toe right there. So there's my cork drop. And then from there, same thing. I'm gonna just go straight into that position. I'm gonna go down and just go right into my chair freeze. You can also unwind if you wanted to. I did not, but if you wanted to, you could also do the cork, right? Boom, and then I could spin, and then from there I could just drop, or I could reverse from there and drop into it too. Okay, so here is the chair freeze from a sweep position. And as you see, I'm a lefty in terms of the way that my freezes go, so I face this way with all of my moves. So I'm gonna take that sweep, my back foot's gonna sweep in, right? So from there, my left arm is ready to catch me in that stab position. So I'm gonna go from here, this is slow motion, I'll show you sped up. I'm gonna face you, I'm gonna unwind my feet, and then I'm gonna hit that chair freeze, yeah? So again, that was a chair freeze from the knee, a chair freeze from the cork, and then a chair freeze from a sweep here. All right, so there you go. A few different transitions to at least get you going and help you understand that chair freeze and reverse chair. Play with them, have fun, and like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions of what you want me to teach, and I'll catch you next time. Peace out.